Hello, this is Dan the Furniture Repairman. Today we're going to show you, we're using these two boards right here to attach a broken part of the hutch and reinforce it. Now we're going to attach this piece here, and the bulk of the video is going to be how to locate the dowel at the top of the piece to align it correctly. So we want to locate a dowel right in the center of this, and we're going to need to align it right to that spot there. And it's going to show you a quick and simple technique on how to do that. We're going to use just this dowel right here and a finish nail. That's all we're going to need to align this. No fancy tools. Snip the head off the finish nail, put it in the drill with the pointy side out, and use it to drill a hole in the piece. Now we're going to drill it about halfway so the nail sticks out quite a bit. Take the nail out, slide it back in the opposite way with the pointy side out. Then a couple taps with the hammer, tap, tap, tap. Please remember to like and subscribe. Always helps us out, and we'll let you know when more videos are coming. And you're going to tap it right in. Now this is sliding a little bit uphill as it taps in, but not enough to affect the location. Tap it back out. The nail is going to stick in either one of the two boards, and all you got to do is pop it back out. Now that's the hole we have right there, and we have a great alignment. So we're going to drill our larger holes now that our dowel will fit into, and just try to stay as square and plumb as possible. If you want to help support our station, please look at the PayPal address below and make a donation. So we're drilling our holes, and we're going to apply some glue. The dowel goes in with a little bit of glue, and then we're going to apply our glue to the other parts of the piece. And what we're going to end up doing is brushing it around and moving it around so we get good coverage on our glue joint right there. So we're just brushing around right here a little bit at a time. And once all the glue is spread, we're going to just tap it right back into place. Now we checked the dry fit on this and it was good, so we're going to go ahead and go forward with our gluing, but we're tapping it in lightly. We're using the soft end of the hammer. We do have links for restoration products in the description below if you need to purchase it. Now we're using this clamp as a spreader. On the left hand side you can see a straight edge where we're trying to push it a line to, so we're going to line it up so it's straight there, but we're also going to pull it tight against that. So one clamp pushing, one clamp pulling, that'll keep it locked in space. And now our clamp here pulling it nice and tight. This dowel is aligned. Easy peasy. Nice simple way to do it. This is Dan the Furniture Repairman. Thank you so much for watching. You all have a good day.